So we're talking function and form. You know, they have to meet in my world, and no place more than on your floors, right? Like, they take a beating, your floors, just like I rolled around on them, or I may even take a dance, or guess what? Oof, now that's a little tough to get up from. But you got kids, you have pets, and they're really taking a beating on your floor, and then you have somebody stamping all over them, so they take a beating. But these are not hardwood floors. These are porcelain, wood look, tile floors. And why I chose them and why I think you should too in high traffic areas that really take a beating is because they look gorgeous. So you have the form of them, but then you have the functionality. Easy to clean, they don't absorb, no scratching, and they look gorgeous. And guess what? You may be thinking, well, you know, porcelain or tile absorbs cold, so the floors are gonna get a little cool, especially if you live in winter month states. Heated mats under these bad boys saves the day and saves on your heating bill because these bad boys heat up. You lower your heating bill in the winter because you don't need as much heat. Now that is function and form meeting beautifully.